I get so
guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Miss Yvette. You guys can just call me E, and this is another video, a part of my synthetic wig series right here on YouTube. Today's video is sponsored, but this video is actually following this series that you guys requested right here on my channel. About a month and a half ago, I tried out a new blonde unit from Amazon. I was really excited because I used to wear a lot of synthetic wigs back in the day, okay, when your girl was in college. And I've always just really been a big fan of affordable beauty on a budget, which is what inspired my lash line, if you guys were wondering. All of the lashes that I wear in my videos are from my own personal Mink lash line. You guys can check out the details in the description box below. But the highlight of today's look, besides my highlight, is gonna be this gorgeous unit from COSSWIGS. They were so kind to reach out to your girl, to go on the site, to pick out a unit, and of course I had to share it with you guys today. So if you guys are interested in seeing some details about this unit, how I achieved this look, because the wig did not come like this at all. I also want to say, as you guys will see in this video, this is not the finished complete look. I will, of course, hey now, I will be updating this unit, so guys, make sure you have me on social media so you can see the final look. I'm thinking about adding some mousse and going a little bit shorter and going for like the wet look. Like, there's just so many ideas that I had with this unit, as you can see going through the video. But when I first got this unit, I was a little bit afraid, I ain't gonna lie. I've already got tons of love on my Instagram about this unit. You guys are already asking about it. This is definitely a trend right now. I have so many of my own favorite influencers who have been rocking wigs like this, and I was literally just saying, dang, I want to try this. And it's crazy because, like I said in the video, I didn't even request this wig. This wig is something that they sent. Didn't even know I was gonna get it, didn't really know how to feel about it. So comment down below what y'all think about this unit, and let's just hop right in. So I'm gonna jump right into this video. I went ahead and deep conditioned my hair just now. It's still a little damp, but this is usually how I put my wigs on, so it is straight. I'm gonna take some regular makeup remover wipes, some regular face wipes, and I'm gonna be wiping the excess makeup around my perimeter. So doing this usually just helps the wig, you know, go on a lot easier. I typically notice that it doesn't really have like the cakey effect. You don't really have like the makeup stuck to your lace. I don't really know how else to explain it. I know y'all have seen it, probably have experienced it time and time again. If you guys are new here, I am very hairy. My baby hairs come really close to my eyebrows, which is so annoying, but it's just my whole family is like this. So I do have to end up taking quite a bit of makeup, but yes sis, I go back and I blend it all out because y'all know, can't be going out looking a mess. Alrighty, so now that I look a little cray, I'm gonna be using a really old wig cap. It's not old sis, but she's old because she's been here before. I used this on my last install, if you guys checked out that video. So I've only worn it once, and we're gonna try her again. Truth be told, I've been taking a break from lace wigs unless I like have to wear them, which in this case today I do. So I don't usually wear wig caps, wigs, glue, any of that on my hair unless I have to. So I don't really have like a large collection of wig caps. Right now I'm just trying to cover my freaking hairs as much as I can. Y'all know I'm hairy, so it's kind of hard, but we try. Now some people cut this, glue it to their head and everything like that. Sis, we ain't doing that. I find with my synthetic wigs, it doesn't really make a difference. Now when I do it, it does look nice. I'm not gonna lie and say it doesn't, but it's not that much of a dramatic difference for me to go through all them steps just to achieve, you know, I just don't think it's worth it. So if you always feel like this bothers you, you know, go in how you wish, but Miss E gonna we're gonna be a little lazy today, okay? The unit was sent to me by COSSWIGS, and I'm very unfamiliar with the website, but I'm also very impressed, you guys. Ever since that video I posted about a month and a half ago, which that was not sponsored, by the way, a girl has been receiving a lot of emails to do different videos. I've been very particular though to make sure I'm not just working with any brands, because I want to make sure that these websites are very credible, they're not going to take your money, and these wigs are actually pretty dope. So today I'm going to be going really hard on this wig. I've never heard of the site, but I want to literally take this wig to the test. Honest with you guys, this is not the wig that I requested. This is like, I literally contacted them and told them ahead of time that I personally felt some type of way because I requested a specific wig on the site. Like, I literally copy and paste. I'll show you guys the wig that I was supposed to receive. This is the wig that's on their site, and this is the wig that I received. So in my opinion, I was expecting a yellow wig. Now I know neon can be a little you guys see my nails. My nails are neon green. Some people see it as green, some people see it as yellow, but this is pure green. And I was not expecting this color at all. It's not even a really attractive green in my opinion. Now when I first got it, I was disgusted. Looking at it now, I've been doing a little bit of research, you know, because I'm a neutral girl. It's really hard to step outside of your comfort zone sometimes. Yeah, we like trends, but how often are we honestly going to wear these trends? So if we're going to be investing our money into this, we need to actually get some good wear out of it, okay? I'm also going to be seeing if I can customize this to fit Miss E's style, because right now we got a little bit of work to do, sis, okay? So I'm gonna quickly go through, install this unit, and we can get to customizing. The installation process is pretty much the same, so we just gonna jump right through this. So this is the hair. I went ahead and installed it, did some baby hairs. I'm running a little late, but what's new? And one thing that I've noticed about this hair so far is that it does, like I said when I emailed the people, that I felt like it had little highlights in it, and I wish I could pull up the email right now, but I don't really have time. It's supposed to be like mixed hairs, mixed particles. It is a synthetic unit, you guys. So it's not just one shade of, it's not just one color. And I remember them saying they did that because they wanted to kind of manipulate, they wanted to kind of imitate real natural hair. What I'm gonna do is go in really quick with my brush just to straighten it out. I used it a little bit, and I think that this wig can use heat because, as you can see, it ain't melting, sis. And this is just one of those straightener brushes that don't work on my kinky hair, so I save them for my synthetic units. They always work pretty great. Got my mirror over here. Just looking at it, I really wanted a bob. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. So I think I'm just gonna say F it. Stop playing with my emotions. Where's my brush slash comb slash something? Alright, so since I cut this hair, and I really didn't plan on it, but I guess I did. As you can see, it's not even. It won't be even until I take this shit off. And Neo, we've got us a bob. Now, should I straighten it or should I put mousse on it and make it like a wet look? That's what I kind of want to go for. But I think for today, I'm just going to straighten it. So I'm going to straighten this unit, guys, and then I'll be right back to finish off the look. Yeah, I like it shorter. Ooh, can I flip it? Ooh. Oh, this is just giving me Tiana Taylor vibes. Like, look at Tiana Taylor right now. Like I said, it's not perfect. It's not cut right. But I kind of like it. It's giving me a lot of body. Definitely gonna have to go back and cut this. So I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now, guys. Kind of running late for something. So guys, this is the final look that I have for this video today. I really wanted like a funky, wild look. When I was cutting it, I really felt like Tiana Taylor. And she usually has like a flip over method. I mean, I don't really know. Most times I see her, she has like the big, fluffy, flowy, whip my hair, not really care type vibe. So I felt like this is what's going on right now. I've never worn my hair like this without a part. Like, as you guys can see, I still have my middle part right here going. But yeah, like, I just love how free it is. I'm about to go out to some bars with my friends really quick, so I definitely will see how this does in like humidity and things like that. But I really like this one. So if you're interested in trying out this trend, definitely check out COSSWIGS. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Let me know what you think. I think I'm gonna come back and record myself cutting it and doing the wet method, just so we can see how it does on camera. I really think it'll do okay though with some mousse, because I have mousse on the front and I also have other products on this wig, and you honestly can't tell. The only thing that I wish I would have did today is get rid of the shininess a little bit. But I can do that with some powder really quickly. So this is just the final look. I went and took some pictures today, y'all. So make sure you guys have me on Instagram to see how I style this wig and everything else in between. And I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next upload.